I had the painting in my hands, someone must have known I was coming. Milton Krempf? The American? Then it must have been his dealer. Krempf's dealer. What's his name? Mortdecai.
Joanna, my darling, my love, my only true love, my love beast, my rumpus-rum rascal. Oh, you have no idea the beast you're about to receive. Oh. Joanna, are you all right in there, darling? It is I, Charlie. Your husband?
What is it?
O moon of my delight. This is your own personalized Sheikh of Araby who seeks admission into your tent. I have come to carry you off to the burning desert and work my greasy will upon you. Under the tropical stars. Send your camel to bed, damn it!
My sheikh. Does this mean you have excommunicated that moustache of the Prophet?
I'll trim it. Darling, I am embarking on a very dangerous escapade from which I may not well return. And it is customary in these situations for, you know, proper send-off, quick session of Congress. Sink the Bismarck, if you will. And by the way, did I mention it is a matter of national security?
It's very difficult for me as well, you know. This thing that's come between us.
I know, darling. No. Steady yourself. I beg you, darling, please. You know I have a sympathetic gag reflex.
Oh, God. It's unbearable.
You will get used to it, I promise.
Why should I have to?
I'm invested in it.
Why can't you invest in saving us from financial ruin? Or do you want me to sort it out for you?
Heavens, no. You needn't worry yourself. I have things firmly in hand. My love, you are killing me, please.
It looked like you have a vagina on your face.
Surely you mean the pubic hair above a vagina. I simply cannot get my head round that image.
Oh, Charlie.
However, now that you've mentioned it, I am unable to steer my mind away from it.
Go stuff a mattress with that thing.
Oh.
The moustache, I mean.
Jockey, what if it isn't just a tiff? What if this is the well-known it, as it were?
That'd be awful.
Joe! Are you coming back to bed?
Yeah, give us a minute, love.
Hi.
Hello.
And myself sleeping alone. How do you think this makes me feel, man?
I don't know, sir.
Dash it all, I am resolved. If it is money we need, then it is money we shall have.
Chuck!
That's me.
Tomorrow we shall sell off the rolls to that vulgar American Milton Krempf. And we will find that painting if it is the last thing we do.
Rightio, I'll call Spinoza in the morning.
Yes, do.
Good night, sir.
Jock,
Yes, sir.
do you think it will be all right in the end?
I couldn't say, sir.
first stop was to see Sir Graham Archer, rival art dealer and Goya specialist. A permanent fixture at Sedgwick's auction house in Kensington. I will meet you at Spinoza's in 1 hour.
Right you are, sir.
Sir Graham has been the rudest man in England for years. Recently, he's been working his way up to the wickedest.
Looks like something curled up and died on your lip. It's not herpetic, I hope.
Hello, Sir Graham, you old member. Ooh, were you hiding in your belly?
I see you've put your Sheridan up in next week's sale. Hard times, old boy.
No. Just getting rid of some choice items while the market's right. What do you make of this Bronwyn business, eh?
Huh. Ghastly affair. One always bemoans the loss of a great restorer. Old bag. She should have put locks on her doors.
You used her frequently, didn't you?
Not lately. She's been unavailable for 3 months.
The Goya she was cleaning. Rather simple job, wouldn't you say?
Usual dirt and grime one finds on the Spaniards. I'm the foggiest why it took her so long. What's your sudden interest, if I may ask?
Client with a mild curiosity. That's all. We must go shooting again. Jock has fully recovered.
There's only one reason you might be interested in a museum-owned Goya, and that's because there's money involved.
You are mistaken, sir. There is a great deal of money involved.
I have always admired your rapacity, sir.
I say, Sir Graham, I wonder, your protrusion, might it be possible to swing the old fellow north, as it were?
Who's the client?
Terribly sorry, sworn to secrecy. Perhaps a brisk walk down the stairs would do some good. Yes.
So it's that sort of Goya.
Romanov?
Доброе утро. That painted lady you've been searching for, I believe she may be in play.
I want that painting.